Hi there, and welcome to the Frugal Millionaire channel. I'm passionate about helping people achieve financial freedom and become millionaires. On this channel, we cover a variety of topics including how to make money online, passive income strategies, and investing in cryptocurrency. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling trapped in your current financial situation? Do you dream of achieving financial independence and living the life you've always wanted? If so, you're in the right place. Here at the Frugal Millionaire, we believe that anyone can become a millionaire with the right mindset, strategies, and action plan. We share proven tips and techniques for increasing your income, building wealth, and reaching your financial goals. From making money through affiliate marketing and dropshipping, to investing in real estate and cryptocurrency, we've got you covered. We also delve into the mindset of wealth and share strategies for living a frugal yet fulfilling life. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and become a millionaire, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.